Hi, Grace Gravestock here with New Paradigm Transitions. Wouldn't it be great if there was an owner's manual for your life and you could have the best relationships possible and all the abundance and the life that you actually want to live? Well, the good news is you can and there is, and it is through understanding your own unique energy blueprint. It's a tool called Human Design, and I've been teaching it now for about 4 years. My professional background is as a change manager for large companies and governments. You can find me on LinkedIn to see more. But I've been helping mostly women in midlife transition for the past 4 years because that was me 4 years ago when I lost my marriage, my health, and my job all about the same time. I really wanted to check out, but I found Human Design, thankfully, and I realized that I'm not broken, I'm perfect the way I am, and that we all are. And this is such a beautiful, hopeful message. Human Design teaches us how to know ourselves, love ourselves, and learn self-care. And today I want to give you an opportunity to join my group coaching program. This is a pilot where I'm looking for your input as I transition what I used to share with private clients one-on-one, and now to have a bigger impact, we're gonna do it as a group. So there'll be videos, homework, and then a weekly live Q&A call. Why am I doing this? Because I wanna have impact. My vision is by 2025, the Know Yourself revolution will have positively impacted 5 million people. And just imagine if 5 million people were living in alignment with their design, if they were listening to their own inner guidance system instead of trying to live someone else's life. It would be a magical world that we live in, and I know it's possible. I'm here to create the new earth. Are you with me? If you're interested, here's what you'll learn. You'll get a deep dive into your own chart. You'll learn about your purpose or your life themes. We'll look at your relationships, your business, how to stay in alignment, how to create what you want, and so much more. If this resonates with you, please schedule a 15-minute quick call with me at askgrace.info, and we'll see if it's a fit. I look forward to talking to you soon. Askgrace.info, schedule a quick call, and we'll get started middle of January with this 10-week, fantastically life-changing group coaching program to learn your human design and how you can create the life you want.